Number 1. Have a cancellation. It means to have an appointment or reservation that is called off or annulled.
The hotel had a cancellation last minute. The hotel had a cancellation last minute. We had a cancellation, so we can see you today. We had a cancellation, so we can see you today. She had a cancellation and lost the booking fee. She had a cancellation and lost the booking fee.
Number 2. Have a deal. It means to come to an agreement on a business arrangement or plan.
They shook hands to have a deal. They shook hands to have a deal. I think we have a deal, finally. I think we have a deal, finally. She had a deal with the supplier. She had a deal with the supplier.
Number 3. Have an exam. It means to have a formal test of knowledge.
Students usually have an exam at semester's end. Students usually have an exam at semester's end. He had an exam in math yesterday. He had an exam in math yesterday. I have an exam next week to study for. I have an exam next week to study for.
Number 4. Have a ride. It means to travel as a passenger, to take a journey.
Can I have a ride to the station? Can I have a ride to the station? They had a ride on the new roller coaster. They had a ride on the new roller coaster. She had a ride in his new boat. She had a ride in his new boat.
Number 5. Have a day off. It means to have a day when you are not required to work.
Tomorrow, I'll have a day off from work. Tomorrow, I'll have a day off from work. She has a day off and will go hiking. She has a day off and will go hiking. They have a day off and plan to relax. They have a day off and plan to relax.